The first thing to observe about this calculation is that it makes use of part of an if statement, else if. This allows an if statement to incorporate more options than just if or else. We want Tableau to evaluate each customer's sum of KPI, for example profit, and if it meets the first requirement, then label it as an upper outlier. Else, if it meets the second, label it a lower outlier, and if neither of these conditions is met, label it as not outlier. Within each condition, we need to use a window function. These are typically used when wanting to perform an aggregation over a shifting range of values. However, we can also use it to aggregate a value that has already been aggregated. This computation states that if the sum of the KPI is greater than the average of all the distribution plus 3 times the standard deviation of that distribution, label it an upper outlier, while the condition for the lower outliers is the same, but it's the average minus 3 times standard deviation. Hit OK, and we can drag this field to the colour card, and it appears not to work. We have no outliers labelled, but we can clearly see points outside the distribution band. There's a quick solution though. What we've created in this field is actually a table calculation, and we have to specify how we want it to be computed. Click the triangle and the Compute Using and select Customer ID. Now we have colour-coded outliers.